everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. We have another beautiful Christmas card I want to share with you. Before we get started, don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And you're welcome to join my email list with monthly newsletters on current specials, what's coming up, and classes if you're ever interested in that. Okay, so today we're making a shaker card. We are using the Jolly Holly bundle. This is an online exclusive. It's not in the mini catalog or the annual catalog. We have a huge variety of online exclusive products, tons of Christmas, fall, and some of my favorite products are in the online exclusive. So don't forget to check those out because they're just beautiful products. Okay, so we're using the Holly Jolly bundle, but we are using the Modern Christmas designer paper. And that's also another online exclusive. It's black, white, and gold. I love it. It's one of my favorite things in the catalog, or in the online exclusives and the catalog. It's just very Art Deco to me, and I love that period. So let's get our supplies and get started. So I am starting with a basic black card base. And I have a piece for the inside, and this is the only stamping we're going to do, so I'm going to go ahead and stamp now. And I put a couple sentiments. I'm just going to do, I think, Merry Christmas, since I've got joy on the front. Just going to stamp a nice, crisp Merry Christmas right there. And we can go ahead and put that on the inside and get that out of the way. Okay. Now, this is the paper I'm going to put on the front. Now, I could also do the fa la 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 la, but I like having the gold. So I'm going to put that in the front. And most of this is going to be covered, so I just want the fact that we have this gold berries kind of around the perimeter. All right. Now, this is our shaker card pieces. So I have a little frame that's cut out from the Beautiful Gallery dies, one of their die sets. So we've cut a small frame. We have a piece of window sheet that we are going to adhere to the back of the frame. So let me grab some Caron tape. I think I'm going to try to stay away from liquid glue. A lot of times I'll use liquid glue, but this way I know I'm not going to get glue on my window sheet and make a big mess, which will happen. Okay, so we're just going to make sure that we have that all the way around. I don't want to pull up more than I should on that. Okay, let's get this window sheet down. All right. And then this is going to be the back of our shaker card, and I've die cut Joy. It's in the Jolly Holly dies. We have some frames. We have a big holly background. We have dies to cut out the images here, and then we have this cute little Joy. So you can stamp and die cut, or you can just die cut the Joy. Now I am going to I'm going to use liquid glue, but just little teeny dots because I don't like getting liquid glue on my gold foil either. I'm just using very small amounts. And we're going to try to get that centered right there. Okay, perfect. All right. Now, this is our next step. We're going to use some foam adhesive strips, and I have a few cut, and we're going to make a little well, is that the word I'm looking for? We want to make sure that we keep these nice and snug. These are going to hold our sequins in. Okay, I've cut some smaller ones to go on the sides. You know, this one's almost done. Let's just use this up. I want to make sure that it's touching so that so nothing sneaks out there. So we're corralling our sequins. No escaping. We did one of these with sand one time, so we had to be very careful about how we did that. Okay. I just want to make sure that this is not going to show. I've got a little extra there. Just pull that off. Okay, so we're taking two sequins. We're using the loose gold sequins. These are in the annual catalog, I believe. So we're going to take just a pinch of these, maybe 2 small pinches. And then I'm also using these gold shaker stars, and these are online exclusives. I'm going to do a big pinch of shaker stars, but I love them because they're the same shade gold as the circles. So I'm putting those right in the middle of my joy, and then I'm going to take these strips off, and we are going to center this right over our background. Just like that. And then we can take our adhesives and we're going to center this right on the front. Perfect. And now we have our beautiful shakers. Little shaker card. Isn't that fun? Now, we're going to do just one more touch. Out of this same designer paper pack, we have a sheet with a ton of these little ornaments. So I wanted to just add these little ornaments. I think I'm just going to adhere them since this has popped up pretty good. I don't want it to be too crazy with pop-ups. So we're just going to adhere these with some double-sided tape. I might put a little dimensional behind this one just because it's hanging over. Actually, I'm going to do 2. I'm going to do one on top of each other because it's kind of got a lot of thickness going on right there. Perfect. Isn't that pretty? Just so pretty and fun. I love interactive cards. Love it. Okay. Anyone who makes a purchase of $50 or more each month will earn a kit, or will get a kit of our card class projects for that month. From our, this month it's fall cards, and they're beautiful, so I'm very excited about those. So yeah, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you all next time. All right, bye-bye.